What's going on, fellas? I'm currently eating gummy bears because I'm angry and I'm emotionally eating, or whatever bullshit fat people say. So, mere moment. Here you go. So, I got the heat. Is this thing short? You know what? See? This is exactly how I get angry at things. Is that it? This thing? Are you seeing it? Oh no, the sun is acting very stupid. I can't see nothing. I got the steam port thing plumbed back into the line here. I figured I didn't need to make a big video about it. I was getting ready to go to a tuner. I still might go to the tuner, but he said some things to me like, hey, blah blah blah, what's your fuel pressure? And I'm like, fuel pressure? Man, check no goddamn fuel pressure. Fuel pressure is fine. Brand new fuel pump, everything's good. You remember them fucking fuel lines that started spraying fuel all over the goddamn place? Yeah, alright. I got nifty tester, hooked it up over there. You know what the son of a bitch said? Said, what's the increments here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 psi. That's what it was saying at the rail. So, I'm here because I procrastinated yesterday because I was not in the mood. Undid all of this shit. Dropped it. See where we at? This is not working area. So you know. And stupidly, I thought it was just low on fuel. So of course I did this after I put an additional couple gallons of fuel in there, because what's better than making shit harder for yourself? Nothing. So it's heavier to move up and down now. Did all of this, undid all of the other things there, and if we wouldn't like to go fuck me running around here. And if you remember the issue we had with the 2J installed on the damn E30, would you look at this goofy fucking shit right here? Yes, we shouldn't be cursing. I'm not making my 25 cents on this video like I should. Look at this shit. Look at this goofy shit here. Look at this. It's like an Arby's sandwich. You got the meats. All sorts of shit hanging out from the side here. If I had some words for this goofy shit here. So I need to go get fresh fuel hose, because apparently all the fuel hose I got in this batch that was sitting in the house is doing shit like this. God damn, man. I need to go back over to shit. Go back over to these goddamn year, make, and model motherfuckers. This is what's going on, man. I'm gonna go get this and put it in and check to see if the pressure jumps back up, because this is the goofiest problem on earth. If this truck runs properly, because you know what, I'm not even gonna say nothing. I'll be back. Alright, so we just put this new one on. I don't know what's what, but it's on there. It says 3.4 bars. This is from AutoZone, Auto whatever, one of them places. We're gonna see. So, see, this one don't have no holes in it. So we're gonna see if this one actually resolves a fuel pressure problem, and possibly our misfire problem, and possibly the idling funny problem. It's just so many goddamn problems that should be solved, in theory, by doing this. But yes, look at the goofy ass place I'm doing this at. Either way, let me get back to doing this so no one yells about me doing this exactly where I'm doing it at. Bolted up the back of this. It's not tightened up fully, still under some support there. We are going to go cycle. Alright. Fuel system check. Fuel system checkity check. Well, it's not pissing fuel up here, but this shit's not at 10 fucking PSI anymore. So we solved that fucking problem. I guess the question now is, will this solve the weird idling and the weird running? And the weird misfire check light? Alright, we're gonna button all this shit back up. Because, I don't know, I guess I feel comfortable with it that way so I can start it. And we'll see, we'll go from there. Give me another moment, we'll be right back with you. Pressure is up above 50, slowly receding. Need to get this thing hot, which is going to be annoying to do. There you go. Oh, of course. Yeah. Alright. So we just don't want to get the fuck out of the house. Get out of the house. this. Hey, you ever go to somebody's place and see their work that they're doing on something similar to the work you're doing, and you gotta say to yourself like, God damn, my work's a piece of shit. Granted, this person is a professional and that's done about 20 times the amount of them as you. But when I tell you, I just went to Walker's Tuning and I came back, and the way this gentleman has his wire work set up, that shit really had me out here second guessing life, man. I'm like, oh, well, alright. Now we see how that's supposed to go. We see how that's supposed to happen, but he took care of me. He did the wizardry with the computer. So we are about to find out what's happening here. And I say, if nothing else, I have some ideas. I definitely have some ideas. I think I see some things I need to fix, but we're not going to get too carried away. We're going to still stay on the getting this running properly. He said he found an issue within the program, but we're going to see if my truck has issues within itself. I'm not gonna get into what the goofy setting in here that created half of this problem was. However, to help with the idling of the engine, we need to really complete the exhaust system so that while the O2 sensors are reading what's going on within the engine, if fresh air is coming back, it is throwing off the reading, and it could possibly be throwing off whatever the computer is telling the computer to do. That's a problem to resolve. Little knickknacks, but outside of that, the next video, we need to do some of that, try to calibrate some things. Like the speed thing in there keeps telling me I need to calibrate the speedometer. I need to set the odometer thing on the dash. Things to do that haven't been done, that haven't been taken care of. But, well, I gotta say thank you to Walker and his ability to go through and look at what needed to be done, and thank him for getting it done. It's done now, and kicked right on. I need to cycle it a couple of times and see what's going on. Misfire isn't coming on. Misfire code isn't coming on. The check engine light didn't come up, so there's that. It's a little bit of positive, but I'm fairly certain this video is entirely too long, so I'm gonna leave it here, and we will get to the next one. But once again, going and seeing this man's work have me looking at half of this like, yeah, I need to throw this shit away. But I'm not even gonna really bash myself too much on it. It's the first one, so here I am talking like I'm gonna make another one. Nah, I'm not hinting at anything. I'm not even mildly playing. But yeah, man, we're gonna get this out on the street, flat. We need the heat cycle. We're probably gonna need to try to see what bleeding the coolant system is. Need to check the transmission again. Check all the fluids before we go outside and ride around here, be a menace to the society and the neighborhood. But yo, thanks for checking out the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, dislike if you a hater. Yo, thanks for hanging with me, man. We'll talk.